Day 6. Through the forest.
Oh my God.
We still got clean clothes. Well, except for me, I'm all fucked up. Trying to find out where this bomber crashed. See if we can save him. If he's dead, take his wedding ring. Yeah. I want you to watch. Rolex is tasty.
Somewhere around here too where like dropped a bomb. Where's the fucking flags? Oh, they're going over there.
Huh.
He dropped a bomb in here, hey, so he didn't blow himself up? Yeah, and there's like a big fucking crater in the ground shit. I dropped a bomb out here too. Did it make a crater? Yeah, probably.
Blew you the fuck up? Yeah, it cratered the ecosystem.
We're just going the same way that everyone else was going. Yeah, man, I don't want to throw this shit.
Again! No! Now where do the flags lead? Oh, over here. Through some more boggy bogs.
Shit!
Just don't sink before me. Okay, cool. These are some crazy woods.
Yeah, man, it doesn't feel like we changed direction once. Just some parts of the walk are more stressful than others, eh?
Uh-oh!
There's the fucking border.
It's a man-made lake. I think I see an RV. Yeah, I totally see an RV.
I know, every time we're in boggy shit, I just want to blaze.
Oh, that's not an RV, that's a plane! As you can see, he's been fucked up.
Falling through the trees was not what it was designed to do. Holy shit, dude.
You can see all of the plane.
I don't know, but there's a plane, so. Holy shit. Definitely. I think we're on the right track or whatever.
Climb up, dude. Climb up through here? What is you, niggas, you crazy?
You gotta get up on there and fucking see. Yeah, man. Hey. Hi. How you doing? You making it?
Oh yeah. I think it's good. Now weeble wobble.
Holy fuck, we made it. Woo! Smoke weed and celebrate on this mission. We're in the forest now, son.
Is the bomber alive?
Time to take off shirt, yeah?
We need a medic.
Crazy.